Hi, this is Terry Hall-Gordley with Right Choice Realty, and I'm at 6303 DEMERY Circle Southeast here in Fort Myers. And because of COVID-19 and CDC guidelines, I have my mask, we are going to do a virtual open house so you can kind of get a flavor, and then call me and we'll get you your own personal showing appointment. So let's go into 6303 DEMERY Circle. Home, you enter into the living room, which is a nice little sitting room. It does have a gorgeous chandelier that stays with the unit, and then we will take a tour through the whole thing. It is tiled throughout, so no more shampooing carpets. It does have a little step down here into what could be a sitting room, or for you guys, you can put a pool table out here and have it be an entertainment room or a play area for the kids. There's so many opportunities for this spare room here. And as we go around here, we're going to go into what can be the formal dining room or an eat-in kitchen or just another extra sitting room here. So here, as you can see, this particular owner, we have a TV. They can watch TV while doing the kitchen. So here is a nice spacious kitchen. Appliances are fairly new. And then it goes on into the laundry room area back there. So again, lots of nice areas. The laundry room has brand new carpet. And we have a nice add-on here to the unit. This has been totally added on. Again, a little step down, but beautiful windows that you can, I'm just going to kind of try to show you here, and look out to the gorgeous little lake view out here. So again, you don't have to have the curtain, but there's nice area, nice yard, which we'll look at here in a minute. But lots of natural sunlight. This particular owner is using this as another part of the dining area. Now we can go back to the bedrooms. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath home. And back here, we have the master bedroom. In the tax records, it's listed as a 3, but they took the wall down and made a huge, spacious master bedroom here. So here you go, large master bedroom. You can have a sitting area. As you can tell, it holds the huge bed. So again, many opportunities here. Right across the hall is the bathroom, which has been recently remodeled. So we have the shower here. It is a walk-in shower. So you have many opportunities, and there's already a seat if you need that feature. So lots of cabinetry space, but nice walk-in shower. And now we'll go to the second bedroom. And here, it has been staged as a little sitting area, but obviously you can put twin beds in here, or queen or king. And again, windows, very spaciously done. So lots of extra closets. We have an extra closet here at the hallway. We have an extra closet at the front entrance. So we got lots of storage. Let's go outside. The backyard is the best part of the home. Only because I love backyards. This is gorgeous, and it is all fenced in, so if you have a pet, you can not have to worry about the little doggy or cat. Some fruit trees, a huge tree. You can hang your swing from it. And as you notice, there's a running canal here. As you can tell, we have our chair set with the fishing hook. So you could easily go on the other side of the fence. There's a banana tree, another fruit tree. So you can sit there on the bank and just bring the fish in for dinner. There is an outside storage unit here where you can store your lawnmower and any other any other items you'd want to store. So lots of potential, and this home is reasonably priced. Please give me a call at 239-745-0565. I would love to set up a personal showing for you. Or call your agent and they can schedule it. Have a great day from sunny Southwest Florida.